There's a number of ways to create symbols in the library, and I'm going to show you a few different ways. The first thing you want to do is select the object that you want to turn into a symbol. And there's, as I said, you can either say modify, convert to symbol, or you notice that it says F8 here. So obviously you can say F8. So let's do this one first. And when you choose this, you're going to get this menu. Right now it's showing all of the possibilities. For our purposes right now, we only need these. So if you see all of this, just click on Basic, change it to Advanced. And what we want to do is give it a name. So I'm going to name this Ball. It's a good idea to keep away from naming things colors, because as we animate, we might be changing the colors. So ball is good, but red ball might not be so good. And for our purposes right now, let's stick with graphics. Registration point is set currently to the center. I'm going to move that to the upper left corner. That's usually the default setting. And I'm going to say OK. Now when I say OK, you're going to see that now it has a blue line around it as if it's grouped, and it now shows up under my library tab with the name Ball, and you get a little preview of it here. Let's do the same thing now with the A, but I'll try a different technique. This A is already a grouped shape, so it has a blue line around it. This time I'm going to use the double click method. So I'm going to use the right click method. So you can see as I right click, I can scroll down, and at the bottom here is convert to symbol. Same thing. In fact, there's one other method that's good to know about, and that is that you can just actually drag a selected object onto the library and you'll get this menu again. So I'm going to name this A, surprise, surprise, and it is a graphic, and then I'm going to say OK. And now you'll see that we have two items in the library, and if I click back and forth, you will get each item. So let's take a look at what else has changed. If I take a look now at the Properties window and I click on this object, Ball, I can see that it is an instance of Ball. It is a graphic element, and if I look underneath here, it also shows me the position and the width and the height. So this is almost a perfect circle. It's 89 by 90. Not sure how I got quite that, but that's okay. And if we click on the A, likewise, we see that this is an instance of A, that it is a graphic symbol, and again the position and size of it.